there's no fun in the class, getting sleepy in the lectures? No. In this year's Digital China Summit, we have found a cure, Smart Classroom. Put on this hand-mounted display, technologies including VR, AR, and 5G will open up a new world of learning. The dinosaurs are running. With the add of virtual reality and augmented reality, students will get amazing images of wild animals and outer space, making the learning process more visible and interesting. NetDragon, a leading service provider of online learning, has wrapped up efforts to reshape the traditional classroom with a set of tech devices such as interactive panels and hand-mounted glasses. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
您好，我是李清照。
I'm now with Li Qingzhao, a robot teaching assistant named after a female poet who lived in China 1,000 years ago. I'm wondering what it is capable of. Can you read your poem to us?
长记西亭日暮，沉醉不知归路，争渡荆棘一潭高路。